This agreement was signed February 2021. So wala ka na doon.
Wala na po.
Correct. But in this document, Ms. Cassandra Ong, please take note that in the first sublease agreement, you signed for on behalf of Lucky South, but in the second agreement, you signed for on behalf of Whirlwind. And Lucky South was represented by Ms. Baterna. So in short, Mr. Chairman, I just want to establish that former Secretary Harry Roque is lying.
So in other words, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Harry Roque is lying because during the investigation that we conducted 2 weeks ago, he said that Altenco, Cassie, and Attorney Harry Roque were talking about the Whirlwind Corporation.